Welcome to the Craft Desk, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY video, we're going to make this gorgeous resin lavender hydrangea stand using a wooden round from the Dollar Tree, along with some resin and these gorgeous rub-on transfers from Essential Stencils. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post super quick and easy DIYs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I post new videos every week. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Now let's get to today's project. So for this project, I'm going to take one of those wooden round signs from the Dollar Tree. They're blank on both sides. You can find them in the Crafter's Square section at the store. And I'm going to use white acrylic paint by Deco Art. You can find it at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or any craft supply store. And I'm going to give it 2 coats of the paint because I want it to be white. I don't want to have this wooden color. So let's continue with painting this. So I let the wood round dry for about 45 minutes. It's completely dry now. And now the fun part. I'm so excited to work with these stencils. They are absolutely gorgeous. They are from Essential Stencils. I will post the link in the description box, and I will put it on the screen as well. Now this package comes with 2 sheets, 2 very large sheets, and they both have different patterns on them. They range from small little petals to medium-sized flowers to pretty large flowers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out which of these I want to use on this round. I want it to fully take over the piece. So I'm going to start cutting some of them and placing them in a certain pattern. So let's continue. Now that I decided on the first 3 images that I'm going to use the little rub-on transfer tool that they sent me with the transfers. Now I will be adding more images to the platter, but I want to work with these 3 first since they're my bigger ones, and I don't want to ruin any of these transfers because they're just too beautiful and I want to be able to use them for many projects. Now this little tool is wonderful. It works really fast. I don't have to go over a little piece by piece. Just with one scrape in one section, it rubs on completely. So let's continue rubbing on these first 3 pieces. So now that I decided what pattern I want for the rest of the platter, I cut the pieces that I'm going to use and I laid them in the spots where they're going to go. Now, these rub-on transfers peel off from the backing like so easy, and they go on wonderfully. All you have to do is just very little scraping on the image and it transfers beautifully. The whole image transfers. There's no residue that is left behind on the film itself. And they look fantastic. I'm so excited. So let's continue with the rest. So now I transferred on all the images that I wanted, and I love the way that this looks. The colors are fantastic and the rub-on transfers themselves are gorgeous. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some gold leaf flakes and I'm going to scatter them all around the platter. Wherever they fall, that's where they're going to stay. I just wanted to give it that a little sparkle or a little texture to the platter. So let's continue with this. So now that I have the gold leaf flakes on the platter, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to coat it with resin. I really haven't worked with resin too much. Uh, this might be probably the third project that I've done, but I actually love working with this now, and I'm definitely going to be making more projects. Now, one thing with resin is you have to be very careful. You have to wear the proper PPE, meaning gloves, uh, goggles or glasses, proper ventilating mask. And if you're not doing it outdoors, I suggest you have windows open. So I laid my first coat, and now I'm just going to use one of the popsicle sticks to try and lay it out as best as possible. I think I could have used more resin, but oh well, we're practicing. And what I'm going to do to move all the resin around is I'm going to take my heat gun and it will make the resin flow all through the tray. So let's continue with that part. So I let the tray dry for a little over 24 hours. Look at that shine. I'm so in love with this piece already. I'm so excited. So what I did while I was waiting for that to dry, I took some wooden beads and I painted them with a gold oil paint. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some E6000 and hot glue to glue these beads to the bottom. And those are going to be the little feet on this platter. So let's continue with this part. So now the platter is fully done. I attached the little feet on the bottom and I love the way that it turned out. The rub-on transfers are gorgeous, and with the resin coating it gives it that high shine. Let me know what you think in the comments below on how this project turned out. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.